Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the pay frequency on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to run Gusto Payroll and accidentally set the wrong frequency. How do you actually go ahead and change the payroll date? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into Gusto. If you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you run your first payroll, you'll actually get $100 sent back to you. Next, you're going to click on Pay, and then click on Pay Settings. Now, once you're on this page here, you need to give it a couple of seconds to actually go ahead and load, but you're going to scroll all the way down, and under where it says Pay Frequency, this is where you could actually adjust your payroll date. So you're just going to click on Edit, and then from here you can adjust the pay frequency, the day of the month, and the first pay date on a new schedule, and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust the pay frequency on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.